It should come as no surprise that the service industry has been one of the hardest hit during this pandemic. So, as a business owner, it is important that you go above and beyond to make your customers feel comfortable through these questionable times. What if, after working on a device, your techs could prove to the customer that it was cleaned and sterilized? Introducing BlueClerk. BlueClerk is a field service management tool that provides service history, customer details, and a wide range of data. How does it work? Well, glad you asked. Upon arrival on site, the tech will simply launch the BlueClerk app on their mobile device, scan the blue tag, service the machine, and input any service notes. This information is immediately synced to the cloud. From there, it is accessible through the web-based portal where you can generate reports, view dispatch times, and even verify if the technician sanitized the device. In a time where health and safety is more peril than ever before, you need a solution that provides more than just CRM. We're not only assisting you in rendering great service, here at BlueClerk, we're helping you provide peace of mind.